No, ma'am. I'm going to feed you my car to get a golf cart.
We're gonna go get in the other line. This is weird.
Yeah, no.
In January 2023, I went on a cruise with Holland America. Our first stop was Grand Turk Island. Located in Turks and Caicos, Grand Turk offers a wide range of activities for visitors. Fortunately, we decided not to book an excursion with the cruise line. I'd done some research and saw that you could rent golf carts and explore the island on your own. I'm the adventurous type, so this seemed like a fun idea.
I know it, you know it, we make it.
Took our time departing the ship. This was a mistake. By the time we got to the golf carts, there was quite a line. As we patiently waited in the blazing heat, I quickly realized that they were running out of golf carts. My cousin went to another line to see if we would have any luck. The golf cart guy wasn't the best at communicating what was going on. He asked us to walk with him. As we were walking through the parking lot, I realized he was taking us to his car.
Do you really work for the golf cart people?
I know.
Why?
My golf cart done. I'm going with somebody else to get a golf cart.
Why is your system different than the other guy's system?
No, because my golf cart done. So I'm going to check the next one for you.
Oh, you're all gone.
Yeah, my car.
So we should have stayed in the other line.
No, man, guys, just feed on my car. No, ma'am. I'm going to feed you my car to get a golf cart.
We're gonna go get in the other line. This is weird.
Yeah, no.
Got me staring at you.
At this point, we decided the golf cart idea was a bust. I noticed a tram tour and talked to the attendant. For $40 per person, they would take us on a tour of the island. Sold.
I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride.
Tour was perfect, if not a little touristy. We got a history lesson of the island and enjoyed the beautiful views. We stopped at a spot to shop and grabbed something to eat.
We make it. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it.
We got a chance to visit the Grand Turk Lighthouse. This historic lighthouse was built in 1852 and offers stunning views of the island. There's a small $3 entrance fee. We also got to hang out with the wild donkeys that inhabit the island. These donkeys have been present on the island since the 1700s.
So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked.
The island is also home to a replica of the Friendship VII space capsule that was used by US Astronaut John Glenn when he made a historic splashdown off the island of Grand Turk in February of 1962.
I know it, you know it, we make it. Oh my baby,
The island is home to several restaurants and shops, including Margaritaville, which is located right in the cruise port. There are several beaches where you can hang in the sun or even go scuba diving. All in all, it was a fun and relaxing day taking our tour around the island. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.